welcome to AquaBloomBoutique. If you guys are new, my name is Z. In this channel we do embroidery, sewings, and a little bit about Etsy shop and just selling online, being a stay-at-home mom, and a little bit about budgeting. If those are the topics that you are interested in, please consider hitting the subscribe button and the bell notification so you guys can get notified whenever I post up the video, and also hit the thumbs up. It will help out my channel a lot and I will appreciate it a lot, you guys. Anyway, so today is a video log. So for this week it's February 7th, which is a Monday, and right now it's 8:30 a.m. here in California. So this week video log, which is I am just talking about, you know, my order for this week and what I'm going to be planning working on. So today the goal is just to get my 2 Etsy order out that I received over the weekend. Last week I didn't get any Etsy order for 5 days straight, you guys. Monday through Friday I got 0 Etsy order. So the video log that you guys are going to see this Wednesday, it will just be on the order that I received over the weekend last week. So yeah, I don't know, like it was just nothing for 5 days. But I am blessed. Over this weekend I did receive 2 orders, so that's what I'm going to be working on right now. And then just right now I received another Etsy order. So those are the 3 orders so far, so I'm going to be working on that this week. And while Etsy is slow, I have many other things to work on anyways, you guys. I am also taking a digitizing course. So this the lady already having the course at the end of this month, so I am gonna dedicate some time. So it's okay if my Etsy is slow. I'm just gonna be letting it like I'm not gonna even update or anything. I'm just gonna let it sit there, and whatever order I receive, then I'll just fulfill it, because I have a couple listings that are just constant getting favorites and getting repeat buys. So I don't want to miss out on those sales and just shut off my Etsy shop while I focus on digitizing. So I'm just not gonna do any new item and focus on my digitizing, and also bring you guys more contents, because this is also my business. So as you guys know, YouTube is also another business. So while Etsy is low, I am working toward YouTube and just looking at other streams of revenue. So let's get to work, you guys. And if I have any more updates, then I will come back to share with you guys. If not, then I'll see you guys in like tomorrow or the next day. See how, you know, how much I want a video log for this week. So normally my work with me video log will be a combination of like 3 to 4 days, depending on what I want to share with you guys that day, if I have anything that I want to share. Okay, so I'll see you guys. I'm just gonna be putting on time lapse, so you guys just watch me work, okay? Hey friends, welcome to AquaBloomBoutique. If you guys are new, my name is Z. So today is just another video log day. It's February the 8th, 9 a.m. here in California. And today I have 2 Etsy order only, so I am finishing that. And the customer doesn't need it like in March and May, but I will get it done by Friday so I can put my focus onto working on other things. So today I'll just be working on those 2 outfits. I don't feel like embroidering today, so I will focus on just sewing those 2 bloomer first, and if I have time later, I will at least embroider one of the onesie. And I also want to test out my camera, you guys. I know it's been a while since I did the unboxing, and I've just been busy trying to do my declutter organization for my business, and then also just fulfilling Etsy order. So I haven't been touching the camera at all because I'm so comfortable using my iPad here to film for you guys. But the next step is to take that challenge of using my camera to film more than my iPad, so I can you know, challenge myself a little bit more, learn a new skill. So instead of just being comfortable with my iPad, I can learn to film with my camera and also put my streaming box to use. So you guys, I want to do a test with you guys, so I'm gonna try my best this evening today. So I'm gonna have my husband help me set up, and I will film a little bit snippet for you guys how we set it up, because I really need to get the ball rolling. I need to start using those equipment. Those were mainly for YouTube, and I've been neglecting it for almost 2 weeks since the unboxing video. So I've been neglecting my equipment that I bought for my YouTube. So this week I am making a commitment to set up and play with it, and I will also schedule a test live with you guys, just so I get to see how the box, the live streaming box works. So we'll see how that goes, you guys. So let's get to work. So today just work day, work, you guys. So let's get to work. I'll talk to you guys if I have any more updates, okay? Hey you guys, so today is February the 9th at 2:20 p.m. in the afternoon. I did not have a chance to film this morning, so I'm filming right now. This morning I mainly was just watching Cloud because he was extra needy today, so we were just hanging out. And then my kids are home earlier today, so now it's already 2:20 p.m. in the afternoon, and my box AJ already came yesterday, but I have not put it away, so I'm gonna dedicate this time to just putting my inventory away because Cloud is here, and you know, he is a really active baby, so I have to keep an eye when he's here, so I can't really work on much things. At least I got my applique pieces prepared this morning, and I was able to organize some of my board files on the computer, so that was a little bit productive this morning. And now I'm just gonna put my AJ blinks away, and I will talk to you guys later to see how, you know, how much I can finish. I think I could finish probably at least probably two shirts tonight because I need to at least go to bed early too. So yeah, and then I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna do a time lapse now for you guys so you guys can just see me putting my inventory away and put in input into the computer too. So I have to put away and also do it on my Excel sheet, and I will show you guys the Excel sheet later, okay? Hey everyone, so it's already Thursday, February 10th, 6 p.m. here in California, and I'm just starting work right now, you guys. Today was a hard day because I have to take Cloud to a speech therapist, and today I just dedicate all the time with Cloud. So I cannot emphasize how much like you have to put your processing time long enough if you're a stay-at-home mom and you have little ones to take care. You don't have daycare, you don't have anybody to watch your kids. So me and my husband just help each other out a lot. Since now he was done with work and he already took care of the cooking, and Cloud just woke up from a nap, so he's able to take care of Cloud now. So I'm gonna be entirely focused this evening just to get out the order as much as I can, because for the last 4 days I've been letting the order pile up. So it's not like I got tons of order, but I did get like 1 here, 2 there, and they start piling up today. So good thing is that they don't need these items till like a month from now, but still, like, I need to get the thing going so I can focus on other things. So tonight, let's just get to work, you guys. Let's just work, and then I'm gonna be putting away my inventory. Yesterday I said I was gonna do it, but I didn't get to it, you guys. I just opened the box and I was so drained last night, so I didn't do anything. But right now I feel much more motivated and I feel more energized now. So let's get to work, you guys, and put away those inventory. Like and subscribe. Bye. See you next time. Bye.